Hello people, welcome to man-rays tech vlogs and more. Today I am doing an unboxing and I'll show you why I bought these items for my channel. So the first item I am going to unbox is to go with this little Sony here. Hopefully you can see it. Here it is. So as you can probably tell when I show you, this Sony can only do this, right? So that's it. That's the limit of this thing. So when I try to record myself with it, like I am now with my Canon, that has an adjustable flipping screen. Has a flipping screen, you know? Can you believe it? A flipping LCD screen that flips. Flipping out. Okay, it's got a flipping screen, so you can go this way, that way, backwards, upside down, all that stuff. Quite cool, right? So I can do stuff like this. Talking head videos, but this one definitely can't. So what I've done is I've bought a screen, a 7-inch screen that can be connected through HDMI, tiny little screen that I can mount on, wait for it, this little thing here. So what I'll do is I'll put it on there, it'll grab, if it either way, doesn't matter. Then it means I can use my Sony and my Canon and do some proper comparison videos. Because right now I can't frame my Sony properly, and when I use my Zeiss lens that I want to do comparisons with, I can't focus it properly because I can't see if I'm in focus, and I don't have anyone to stand in place, and I don't have nothing to focus on. So I bought a little tiny screen, cheap as hell, 70 quid on Amazon, easy peasy. So now, let's unbox. Welcome back. Well, welcome back to me, not to you. Don't know why I'm saying welcome back. Where did you go? Did you stop watching? Keep watching. Stay to the end. So, sorry I'm not showing my address. There's a back of a Amazon box. And that's what you came to this channel for. You see the back of an Amazon box, of course. This, need it. Ooh, look at this. This nice little box. How's my color grading people? Is this box very black? Different shades of black. What do you think? Is it getting my eyes or is it getting the box? Is this even the right way around? Yes, it is. Okay, let's unbox it. I'll put the links below to all the things I show in this video. Use cameras like the A6300 and my Canon R8 that I'm filming on right now with my 50mm 1.8 aperture lens. Can you hear the motor in there? It's so loud. I wouldn't advise buying this lens if you have actual money where you can get a real nice lens. I was thinking about using my zoom, but it's not as nice as that I'm using. It's not as, it doesn't let a lot of light in, long story short. Oh wow, look at this. Man, that's insane looking. I didn't think it would actually come like this. That is scary. Hopefully it's got a back. Look at that, people. Ain't that very, very cool? That's very nice, but it's a bit scary. I was hoping it would be closed, but okay. There's a screen. So yeah, that's a bit scary though. It being open like that. Here, let me do a proper one. There you go. That's very nice though, considering how cheap it is. But yeah, I don't know if I can close it properly. I guess I just have to be really, really careful with it. Yeah. Okay, it did show on the Amazon, the back of it, but I thought it was just like to show what was inside. Hopefully in here is a way to close it, that'd be nice. Apparently not. No, definitely not a way to close it. I guess, yeah. Let me put this down very gently. I'll be back. what came in the box. Full HDMI cable that I can't really use, but I do have a micro, not mini, to a normal size HDMI, but it's cool that they provided this. There's a USB-C to USB-A cable, not sure what that's for. Ooh, there's a converter, that's nice. Micro. Can I do it? Come on Canon, believe in you. There you go. Got a micro. Come on Canon. Yeah, got little baby little micro converter to full HDMI. Alright, well, that's that. On to the next thing that I bought. So, hello. This is a very, very professional channel, by the way. Can you tell? Can you tell how professional I am? Do I look professional? I am, right? So, this is called Powerline. Well, it's a Powerline converter, Powerline plug. So what this does, it converts, it goes from the router way over there, that way, far from here, far from this room. It converts the signal from the router through this, through all the copper in the house, then out the other side with a twin of this. So I bought a not even 1 gig one, less than a gig, like a really, really, really slow one. And to be honest, my internet speeds have not been that great, not that good at all. And considering how big the files are that I've been uploading to YouTube and the things I've been watching on YouTube, the bandwidth is not enough, or it can't get the bandwidth through because it's a slow ass power line. So I got a more powerful one for like 30 quid more. This one was really cheap, it was like £30. The new one was £79. So let's unbox it in a minute. I'll be back. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching. I'm back again. It's like I wasn't even gone. Look at that transition was amazing. Went from being here to being here again. Look, I have to go this far with this lens, back against the wall and everything. So, this one, fancy. So this one will give me a lot more bandwidth, more speed. So now I can upload really, really fast, so I can bother all you people with my boring ass videos. So yeah, that's that. This is the 2000 megabytes. And the last one was 1,000, but it wasn't really 1,000. I never got 1,000, nowhere near that. So looking forward to having a more powerful one. Alright, that's my video. Next video will be me showing you the difference in the speeds with both the power lines. My new one and my old one. Then I will be attaching my new mini LCD screen to my Sony, and I will be showing you how easy it is to focus with a manual lens now that I can actually see myself. So that will be fun. And then at some point I will do my Zeiss on my R8 and my A6300, seeing if you can, with a crappy LCD screen from Amazon for 70 quid and a camera from 2016 that can barely do 4K and doesn't have a 350 screen, if you buy these two things and put a really nice lens on, will it be comparable or compete with an R8 full frame Canon camera? Because I've got a converter to make sure it fits on both.